Here at Mega Wrex's Dino Ridge, prehistoric beasts face off against modern-day monster trucks.
Nothing beats a dino. You all don't know what you're in for.
Dino just takes it over. What for?
And who goes extinct? It's Roar against Rev, Teeth against Talk,
Dinosaur against a bunch of sore losers.
This course is vicious, brutal, endangering an extinction-level event. And what do our trucks have to say to all that?
Challenge accepted.
This is Proving Grounds, the road to Camp Crush.
Smash and roar! 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 All right, some dinos crossing the track. Now it's a party.
Are you sure about that?
Mega Wrex versus Gangster.
You got gunk! Only gunk around here is in the tar pits.
What'd you say about gunk?
Feast your eyes on the Jurassic Trail. Only the fiercest can survive.
Go big, go Hot Wheels. Whoa! They nearly missed the stomping dino.
Whoa!
A dino bone flips Mega Wrex's bumper. It's a fossil flip. But it's not enough to trash this truck. Mega Wrex wins, showing the dinos he's one of the dudes. Let's see what happened to Gangster.
Hey, who left these eggs here?
Gangster crashes head. Mega Wrex slides his way to a victory.
Yeah! All right, bro. Dino bone. Is mud.
Dino's all mine.
These dinos better remember, I invented first place.
Let's talk. More rock!
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Yeah!
Demo Derby going off-road to try and make it over Dino Skull Ridge. But her tire catches, sending her tumbling. While Race Ace speeds past the stumps to make it to the finish line. And on to the next round.
Yuck! This is the pit.
Oh, that's nice. Want to see a cool magic?
That stupid skull tripped me up. Gotta clean this tar off to get it next time.
Winning, it's what I do.
Looks like it'll be speed versus snarl when Race Ace takes on Mega Wrex in the triple header. But who will join them? Let's find.
Hey, mind if I give it a shot? Well, okay, sure. Just don't break it. It's my most favorite possession. I'll treat it good.
Watch it! Ouch! Bone Shaker takes a foot to the fender. And 5 Alarm takes home the win.
Guess you can't handle the heat, Bone Shaker. Wait, where is Bone Shaker?
I'll get him next time.
Well, he's probably fine.
Shut your bitches!
Well, he's probably fine.
Trucks move on to the triple header. But who will walk away with the win and a step closer to the upcoming Camp Crush? What a Dino day! Dino Egg stopped Gungster in his tracks! Race Ace knocked Demo Derby into the Triassic period, and 5 Alarm made a fossil out of Bone Shaker! The trucks that survived will duke it out in a triple header to see who has what it takes to make it to the upcoming Camp Crush! Find out next time on Proving Grounds, the road to Camp Crush!